2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.